Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Digital Hustle, your go-to place for all things data-driven. Today, we're diving deep into the world of data science for business. I'll show you how to harness the incredible potential of data science to make smarter business decisions. Let's kick things off by understanding what exactly data science is. At its core, data science is a dynamic field that combines computer science, statistics, and mathematics to extract valuable insights from data. It's like turning raw data into a goldmine of knowledge. Now, why should businesses care about data science? Well, it's a game changer. Companies of all sizes are using data science to supercharge their operations, enhance product offerings, and expand their customer base. It's not just a trend, it's the future of business. Let's explore some real-world applications of data science in business. Customer segmentation, identifying different customer groups with similar needs and preferences. Demand forecasting, predicting future product or service demand. Risk assessment, managing and mitigating risks effectively. Fraud detection, catching those sneaky fraudulent transactions. Product development, crafting products that your customers will love. Marketing precision, targeting the right audience with laser-focused marketing campaigns. But wait, before we continue, there's more. If you are interested in exploring an incredible online work opportunity, from the comfort of your home, just 1 to 2 hours a day, with weekly payments, I have got some exciting news for you. There's a government-registered platform waiting for you to discover. To learn more about this amazing opportunity, connect with me on Instagram. You'll find the link right in the bio section of my YouTube channel. Don't miss out on this chance to work smarter and enjoy the freedom of working from home. So, how do we make this magic happen? Data science relies on a range of techniques, including machine learning, using algorithms to learn from data and make predictions. Statistical modeling, crunching numbers to uncover patterns and insights. Data visualization, creating stunning visuals to communicate complex data. Ready to dip your toes into the data science pool? Here's how to get started. Online courses. Take advantage of online courses and tutorials. Read up, dive into books and articles about data science. Community engagement. Join a data science community or forum. Hands-on practice. Get involved in open source data science projects. Now, if you're hungry for more knowledge and eager to unlock your full potential, I've got an exciting offer for you. Explore an exceptional e-learning platform for data science, business transformation, and financial freedom courses. This platform is a treasure trove of wisdom, and it's waiting for you to dive in. To embark on your learning journey and supercharge your business acumen, just click the Instagram link in the channel bio. Your future financial freedom is just a click away. Thank you for tuning in to our channel Digital Hustle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow business enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button for more data-driven content. Remember, simplicity is key in learning, so we're here to make data science your best friend. Until next time, stay curious and keep those business decisions data savvy.